What's going on, people? Welcome to another episode of Fix It Rick. My name is Ricky Burrows. Today we're going to be doing a different Fix It Rick video on how to fix a problem with your website. So to get right into it, I'm using the Divi theme, and when I want to go ahead and make an update to my drone website, maverickaerialphotography.com, just like ClickFunnels where you can click on something and then duplicate this or change the title of this right here. What you do is you go over to this little purple button, click it right over here, click that, and then it says wireframe view, and that's what this is. You have to change it over to desktop view, and then now I can go in and I can add a module, and I can go ahead and add or remove stuff. So that's how you do it, and it took me a long time to just play around with this thing and figure it out. So that's how you get the Divi theme wireframe view back into desktop view for editing. Thanks for tuning in to Fix It Rick. This little guy is just running all over the place, and he's just biting my face. No, you cannot bite my face. So hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you found that this was helpful. He's licking my neck right now, and he bit my neck. No, you cannot. No, no, you cannot bite my neck. Shameless. Shameless face right here. Yeah, gulp. Yeah, he took a big gulp. I'm like, no. He's like, mm. So hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you want to see more videos with Mr. Pumpkin, myself. And always remember that Jesus loves you, and only He can solve your biggest problems. You crazy.